Claudia from the Cloth Diaper Library here. We're talking about the Charlie Banana one size pocket diaper today. This is actually one of the few that will most likely fit your newborn right from the get-go. And that's because it doesn't have any rise snaps at the front to make it shorter, but actually you can change the length of the elastics. So you can make them pretty small and they will adjust to almost any newborn. We do include in most newborn kits we have some of these. They come with 2 inserts and they have a nice big label, and that's there to just be able to pull them out without having to touch the actual insert if that's wet. This is polyester that won't get too wet, so it's nice and easy to grab. It handily has the size on it. This is the large, this is the small. The large is a bit thicker. One side is fleece, polyester fleece, so that's the stay dry, and the other side is either microfiber, polyester microfiber, and some of them have a cotton hemp mix on the back. You can also fold them if you need more absorbency anywhere. And the way to use them is if you're going to just lay them in, then I would keep the stay dry facing your baby's skin. If you're going to stuff them in, I would actually keep the microfiber side towards baby's skin, because then you have this stay dry layer. You don't want too much fleece, because 2 layers of fleece can actually stop liquids being absorbed properly, because fleece repels a little bit. It only really lets liquid through pressure, so it's best to, if you're going to stuff them with microfiber facing your baby's skin. Okay, so nice thick elastics in the back, which is quite nice. And then how to adjust them: you just open the pocket here, and then in the side you'll see they're kind of like bra straps, and they have little letters on them: medium, large, small, and I think extra small. And in the beginning, if they're new, if you have new ones, it's quite hard to adjust, but once you get going, it's a bit easier. So we'll adjust this to an extra small and see if it'll fit on our tiny preemie baby doll that we have. Okay, so pull all that through until you can see the extra small. So you can see here there's 1 extra small, 2 smalls, I think 2 mediums, 3 large sizes. So then you just need to bring this over to the extra small. So just pull that through. Just not very easy. We have it there. Okay, so we've got one side, and then try and just fit that in here. I always put it in this corner. Okay, you can see the difference. This is extra small on this side. This is medium on this side. So we'll just have to do this one. See the extra small. And it's nice and tight because you don't want it to loosen once you have it on a setting. So pulled it a bit too far, but it's not too important. Okay, and now we're gonna put the small insert in. Small babies just pee a lot, but they don't pee too much. They just do small amounts a lot. Okay, it's not too bad for stuffing. Certainly some newborn pocket diapers are much worse if you have large hands. Okay, and stuff that one in there, fold that over, make sure it's nice and flat. Okay, so we have it ready. Here's our model. So we just bring it about hip width there. You can do it like this in a sort of a U shape to bring it over, and you can see this is a one size nappy, so it will fit bigger kids, so that's why it's much longer at the front. So it won't be a beautiful fit, but it will work potentially. So, and then this hip snap, I'm just going to do it the tightest. And this one I'll just do there. Okay, so it will fit quite high, but you get a pretty good leg seal, right? And this is a size of a preemie baby that's probably about 4 pounds, so that's fairly small. It looks a bit funny at the front, but you may be able to snap this one over if you wanted to. Let's try that. Maybe miss out on the hip snap and just use 2 and fold this one over. This is just trial and error to see what works for your baby. I think sometimes this one works on this side, so it looks a bit better. Let's see in the back. Yeah, it's a little bit looser. This guy is pretty small, so that's the Charlie Banana pocket diaper on a very small newborn, just to see if it could do it, and it looks like it can. And in order to wash them, find this, pull this out, put it in the wash. And we do have these in our newborn kits, so if you're in the GTA and you can pick up there or in Brampton, then you have them available on our website, clothdiaperlibrary.ca.